Alright, hi, it's Miranda. Just sort of doing a little update video. As you can see, I dyed my hair darker, and I actually put some effort into my makeup for once. I don't really know what else to say. This is gonna be a really short video if I can't think of anything. Oh, yeah, as you know, I live in Wisconsin, and right now it is freaking blizzarding outside. It's awesome. How about that? Someone from Wisconsin who doesn't complain about snow. But, yeah, I think they named it like Winter Storm Brianna or something stupid like that. Not that the name Brianna is stupid, just the naming a storm. Because, you know, we don't get hurricanes, so I guess we have to name our winter storms instead. But, yeah, it's like chunks of snow falling from the sky. It's not even friggin' like little snowflakes like you would imagine. It's friggin' globs of snow falling to the ground and accumulating. We've got to have at least a foot of snow by now, if not more. And it's been snowing for sure since I got up at like 4 this morning, if not longer. And yeah, I wouldn't want to be someone on the road right now. I feel bad for my parents who both had to go to work. It was bad enough this morning when they left for work. It's horrible now. I can't even imagine what it's going to be like for either one of them to be coming home. But, yeah, maybe I'll go take some pictures of the winter wonderland outside, and maybe even include my dogs, because they need to go outside, so get their shivering little tails wagging outside and take some pictures so y'all can see the dogs I was so upset over that finally came home. Alright, I'm gonna end this here then, and peace.
Hi, girl. Are you playing out here? Oh, no. Oh, fall. Just to give you an idea of how deep the snow is, if I go like this. Hi. Have you been having fun? Ivy, really? Yeah. Want to go back inside? Do your business? Come on. Let's go inside? Yeah? Okay. Let's go inside.